The last step on your mask is getting the elastic in. Now, basically you want to fold this up, but you don't want this angle here. You need a right angle. So you're going to just pull this fabric up like that. So the corner is on this edge, and this edge is parallel to this edge. So you've got a right triangle there. So you can do this in two steps. You can do that one and this one and sew straight across and then put your elastic in, or I like to just do it all at once. So I've got that there. I'm going to put my elastic down, and then I'm going to pin this down. Like that. And same with this side. I'm going to make my right triangle there. This edge is parallel to where that edge was. Fold it over top of the elastic, and basically this edge is just coming over and covering this edge. And put a pin in it. Then I'm just going to sew straight across here. I'll show you again on this side. I'm going to turn it this way this time. Okay, so right angle. Instead of just folding it straight across like this, you're going to fold it and make a right triangle. This edge parallel to this edge. Put your elastic across. Fold this down so that it just covers that corner. Put a pin in it. You want to make sure that you're not going to catch the elastic in there. So right angle. And then I'm going to sew straight across. I'll do it one more time for this guy. And that's that. So you can see how that makes the 3D shape. Very comfortable to wear. Hope this was helpful. Please share this video and like and follow my page.